This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today we are going to make chicken corn bake. This is my original dish. And I do not know when and how I started making this, but people seem to really enjoy this. So hope you'll also like it.
For this dish, I am using 500 grams of boneless chicken leg, but you can use chest pieces as well. I am going to first cut them into long strips. And then I am going to cut them into bite-sized pieces, say about an inch each. To this I am going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it and keep it aside. Now I am also going to dice 2 slices of bread into 1-inch cubes. To this I am going to add 2 finely chopped green chilies. For the topping, I am going to slice 2 tomatoes into rings. Whip 200 ml of fresh cream into soft peaks. And grate 4 cubes of Amul Processed Cheese. To fry the chicken, I am going to heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a skillet. Let it heat up a little bit and then add the chicken to it. And fry till the chicken is just cooked. For the white sauce, I am going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet and add 1 heaped tablespoon of all-purpose flour into it. Now I am going to add 500 ml of milk into it little by little. I'm going to add a cup of grated Amul Processed Cheese and 1 cup of Mozzarella Cheese to this. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and the white sauce is now ready. Now I'm going to combine the bread, chicken, a cup of boiled corn kernels, 2 eggs beaten, and white sauce together. And transfer it into a 2-liter baking dish. I'm going to top this with a mixture of half a cup of tomato ketchup and a cup of whipped cream. Some tomato rings and some diced mozzarella cheese. Everything in this dish is already cooked, so I usually bake this at 250 degrees just until the cheese starts browning. So as you can see, the cheese has melted completely and browned lightly, and when you cut into it, it's a thick gravy.
So that was my chicken corn bake. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you for watching. See you soon.